Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Today I will be showing you how to use the back tap on the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the iPhone 13 mini. So what does the back tap do? If you hit the back of the iPhone either 2 times or 3 times, it will do a function on the phone without you having to hit any buttons or touch the screen. So let me go ahead and show you how to enable it and use it. So first thing we will do is go into settings, then you will scroll down and choose accessibility, scroll down again, choose touch, scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on back tap. So double tap is if you hit the back of the phone 2 times, it will perform a function. Triple tap is if you hit the back of the phone 3 times, it will perform a function. So let's go ahead and set up double tap. So let's go ahead and choose camera as the function for the double tap, and let's go ahead and choose lock screen as the function for the triple tap. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to hit the back of the phone just like that 2 times. And there you go. The camera has been opened. Now I'm going to hit the back of the phone 3 times. And it shuts it off. Super cool. And this is how I tap it. And it won't work if your phone is not facing your face, basically. So again, double tap, you got the camera, triple tap, the phone shuts off and goes to the lock screen. And again, very easy to change the functions as well. Go back into settings and then just click on double tap again, choose a new function if you need, and click on triple tap again if you need to choose a new function. And that's about it, guys. So if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.